Welcome once again. Today I want to say a few words about another person who greatly influenced the history and the formation of the Eucharistic liturgy. His name is Justin Martyr. He lived in the 2nd century. He was from Syria, but he ended up as a teacher in Rome. And there are two of his works in which he presents a discussion of the Eucharist. The first is his book, The First Apology, and the second one is his dialogue with Trypho. And so in the First Apology, he talks about candidates for baptism who join the Eucharistic assembly while it's offering common prayers or intercessions. That's followed by a kiss of peace. And then bread and a cup of wine mixed with water are brought to the presider and all that kind of thing. Then in chapter 67 of First Apology, he describes another Eucharist, this one that did not include baptisms. This Eucharist is celebrated on Sunday. There are readings from the Memoirs of the Apostles, they're called, which is the Gospels and the Epistles, and maybe some other documents as well that never made it into the New Testament. Remember, we're in the 2nd century, and there is no formal set of scriptures as of yet. After the readings, the presider delivers a homily. Then everyone stands and offers prayers. These are probably the prayers that are now called the general intercessions, or prayers of the faithful. And then bread and wine and water are brought forward. The presider offers prayers and thanksgiving, the Eucharistic prayer. Everyone responds, Amen, which is to this day the response of the congregation to the doxology, through him, with him, and in him, etc. And after that, communion is distributed. One other note of interest, Justin says this: the wealthy who are willing make contributions, each as he pleases, and the collection is deposited with the president, the presider, the priest, who aids orphans and widows, those who are in want because of sickness or other cause. In short, he takes care of all in need. It seems that the Sunday collection goes way, way back in Christian history. Thank you once again for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.